Most people work 40 plus hours a week, chasing someone else's dream. Are you one of them? The rat race is a trap. You trade your time for money, but no matter how hard you work, true freedom stays out of reach. Your income might increase, but so do expenses. The cycle never ends. This system keeps most people living paycheck to paycheck. You work, you spend, you stress, and you never get ahead. The worst part? Society tells you this is normal, but it doesn't have to be.
Breaking free from the rat race isn't about luck. It's about strategy. It starts with understanding one simple truth. Money should work for you, not the other way around. Most people trade their time for money, but the wealthy focus on building systems that generate income even when they're not working. These systems can take many forms: investing in stocks, real estate, or digital businesses, creating passive income streams, and leveraging tools that make your money grow automatically. But strategy alone isn't enough. Mindset is just as important. You have to think differently about work, risk, and time. The wealthy don't chase short-term gains. They build long-term freedom. They understand the value of learning, patience, and compounding over time. And finally, habits matter. Simple daily actions, tracking money, automating savings, reinvesting profits, compound into real freedom over years. Step by step, these habits remove the chains of the 9-to-5 and open the door to a life of choice, flexibility, and financial independence.
If you're done watching life pass you by, if you're ready to step off the treadmill and start building real freedom, this is your moment. Hit subscribe and join Finstra. I'll break down the exact systems, strategies, and mindset the wealthy use to escape the rat race, and show you how to build a life where you call the shots. Don't settle for the script society handed you. Write your own path. Your exit from the 9-to-5 grind starts right now. Just hit that button.